सांगा ऑन करून काय पाहिजे ना शिकले दिसूंक जाय न्हू तर लायट ऑन करता तुम्ही आणि ते दिसूंक जाय म्हणटा हांकां ते भितर वता म्हणटा मातशें भितर रावा गो सगळीं येतली
भितर ते ब्लॉक जाता
जागो आहा पळय
लायटीक जागो आसा तर
We'll go inside.
No, you don't go inside.
You wait outside, sir. You wait out.
पहिले ऑन करूया आणि काय तसे मारा तुमचं.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yes, sir.
Yes.
I think let's come this side. Very.
सर स्टोन पे जाएंगे हाँ
अंदर जाएगा
आराम से.
तू पाठी मध्ये
Sorry. आता नाही
कमला सरपंच
आइए सर कितने बात है
डेप्युटी ना भगवानचे डेप्युटी
सरपंच
संकल्प किती येणार आहे मेरिडा ना अरे
सर
अच्छा
तरी पण बरं आहे काम अरे तरी पण बरं म्हणतात 5 जणांनी घातलेलं
Yes, sir. Baik sir. Masih kan?
Sir, as traffic islands are beautified as inaugurates getting on site or development services.
I think it is a beautiful beginning in the new tenure of the Panchayat as well as the assembly. What better thing than beautify a place? As you know, this was an accident-prone thing. And to start with, we had done islanding in a small way with the signals and all that, so that no more accidents took place like before. I still remember the death of a young youth, Simran, as I may remember. I recollect how he had to innocently die here. Many other people had to face similar. So I am very thankful to under CSR to come forward to the Shanks group that all of them you see here, they have come willingly and done something meaningful for society. It's only when individuals like this who feel like doing something for society, not only for themselves. Wealth generation has to be there. People have to prosper. Industry has to prosper. But at the same time, think of others as well. When you think of others, you are thinking well of yourself as well, because you are promoting welfare. You are getting vibes from people which are positively inclined towards you, and in turn, what I say, blessing from somebody up there looking at you. So this augurs well for society. It augurs well for the Panchayat functioning, and it augurs well for everybody around you who want good things to happen. We have a newly elected young Sarpanch, Kamla Prasad Yadav. His deputy also is a young person, Ashwarya Kurgaonkar, with all the other colleagues. And similarly, you have a new Panchayat even in Bogmalo, where you have youngsters having come to the fore. This speaks that things are happening for the better. And we say we should all rise to the task of nation building. They are all, I think, young entrepreneurs. India is a young population today. Maximum, we check the age group is in the young age group up till 35. I think more than 65% of the population. We have to channelize this in doing something really good for the good of the state and the country and the society around it. And this is exactly what is happening with East Memo happening.
Kamla, first I love double yet. I love Chicalim. What do you want to say?
You will see now under the leadership of Sir Mauvin Godinho. This is just the beginning. How Sir told that the term has just begun. In another 5 years, you will see full Dabolim constituency only changed, because we know that Sir's vision is only for development. So this is a small step ahead. You will see such more developments in Dabolim.
One of you who is
it's a pleasure to be associated with a dynamic leader like Mr. Godinho. The private and the public partnership is always helpful. It is the basic essence of democracy is to help the citizens. It is for the citizens, by the citizens. So whatever we are doing is for the citizens and under the great vision. It's a vision. If the death of a child can move somebody to that extent that he understands the need to create a crossing there, put a red light there, this is thinking way ahead. So we are very thankful that we've been associated with somebody with that kind of a mindset who says that, okay, I want to develop that area, and with a young team coming up, you can expect a lot of things to happen. And we are there wherever you require our support. We guys are there, and it will be a pleasure to work with you all. Thank you.
Hello. We will be unveiling the plate of this beautification of this juncture.
आम्ही तुम्ही वचन पाहिलं ना
What रे? कसं?